Hey, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and we specialize in search engine optimization for local businesses just like yours in order to get them ranked at the top of Google so that you can get more leads and a lot more business. And I was doing a Google search for pest control companies in Charleston, which is the most popular keyword. And this is what comes up on page 1. There's a map section here. Then you get into the organic listings. This one up here is just a business directory. Here's one of your competitors, another business directory, a competitor, another competitor. You may or may not know that 80 to 90% of all new searches searching for this go with one of the top 3 companies, or at least somebody on the first page. And that's why most businesses want to get on the first page, because they can capture a lot of that new business. And Google's like the new phone book. If you're not in it and in it prominently, you're just not going to get noticed. So I did go through the pages, and I went through all these, and I did not see you located. I saw you yesterday, but it looked like you dropped some more to where you don't even show up. So I did pull up your site, which is very nice. That's great pictures, really clean looking, and hopefully these pictures have image alt tags on them that your web person put in there, so that can send signals to Google that'll help rank you higher as well. Another tip is that Google, what makes a site rank high? It's basically Google trusts a site. Google's only going to rank sites high that they trust. And think about it. If you do any type of search, you want, when you go on page 1, to find exactly what you're looking for. When you click on it, you want it to have, you want to match what you're looking for. You want it to have good content, authoritative content, and to be accurate. So really, Google is in it for the end user. They want you and I to have a good experience when you search and find what you're looking for. So in order to do that, they've got to trust your site. Well, one of the things that Google uses to trust your site is your title tag. It tells Google a lot. It sends a signal to Google. This is telling Google what you want to rank for. So you're telling Google you want to rank for your company, which, to you and I would sounds logical and would make sense. But people are searching for Charleston pest control companies. So if you were to go, your title tag usually shows up right here in blue. Now, I know this isn't your company. If it was your company, I'd tell you what to change. But if I were you, I would put Charleston Pest Control Company, put a vertical line, and then the name of your company after it. You've got 72 characters to play with, so use it, but Google likes to see the city first and then the keyword that people search for next, right here, vertical line, then put your company name, maybe your phone number. This is a description where you can also put a few keywords in there too to help boost your ranks. The other thing that signals Google is your headings. This is, you can think of like a book. This would be like your chapter titles. And so this tells Google, or sends signals to Google saying, this is what I want my site to rank for. And so this is what you're telling Google you want to rank for. And what will boost your rankings is if you put on your website in the heading around this area, make it congruent with what people are searching for. Put Charleston Pest Control Companies, best company in Charleston, or whatever, and then you can have this information after that. But those are just a couple things you could do on your own, make your own changes, or we'll certainly be glad to help you with it too. All right, hope you have a good day. Hope that helps. Take care.